Today in this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp incoming calls are getting automatically declined on Android. For this, you have to open WhatsApp. Now click on three dots, open settings. Now go to privacy, scroll down to find calls, tap on calls, and if this silence unknown callers is enabled, then you have to disable it. Now your WhatsApp incoming calls will not get declined automatically, and if you still have the problem, then you will need to check Truecaller app. Click on three dots, open settings. Now click on block and scroll down to find advanced blocking, disable hidden numbers, and this other option, numbers not in phone book. Disabling these toggles will fix your problem. So this is how you can fix WhatsApp incoming calls are getting automatically declined on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.